There is something powerful about a man who knows exactly who he is. Not loud, not desperate, not trying to compete with younger energy. Just calm, established, and completely aware of his way. That is the energy we explore today on CubeMan 0.2. If you appreciate mature confidence, global sugar lifestyle, stories, age gap relationship, and different types of masculine beauty, make sure you subscribe because episode 630 is about variety, depth, and presence. This collection of handsome mix-up sugar daddies brings together different looks, different personalities in different countries. From the structured elegance of London executives to the relaxed luxury of Miami investors. From stylish mean consultant to disciplined businessmen in Singapore. From confident Dubai interpreters to artists souls in Barcelona. The diversity is magnetic. Some wear tailored suits with silver hair and sharp watches. Some prefer casual-lined shirts with confident smiles. Some carry full beards, strong frames. Others keep it clean-shaved and pieces. No single type, no dominates here. That is the beauty of it. Age in this episode moves with maturity, not insecurity. These men are in their late 40s, early 50s, mid 60s, even approaching 70. But the age does not reduce their presence, it sharpness. They have been built companies, survived losses, learned from divorces, recovered from heartbreak, expanded investments, traveled the world, and refined their standards. Their conservation are deeper, their patience is stronger. Their boundaries are clear and that clarity become attractive. The sugar lifestyle for the studies is not cost, it's structure, it's privacy, it's quality over noise. Private dinners instead of loud clubs, business class flights instead of public flexing, glam penthouse instead of drama. Some mentor younger partner in business and life. Some build long-term sugar relationship rooted in respect. Some are in strong gay couples where emotional intelligence replaces insecurity. The dynamic is not about control, it's about balance. The younger partner brings energy and admirations. The daddy brings directions and stability. Professionally, the mix is impressive. Real estate developers in Toronto, finance strategies in Zurich, tech investors in Seoul, luxurious hotels owner in Istanbul, fashion buyers in Paris, startup founders in Los Angeles, private consultants in Sydney. Their income may differ, their interests may change, but their mindset is similar. Disciplined, forward thinking, and strategic success built their confidence, but experience defined it. Physically, this episode celebrates varieties. Some are athletes and still committed to the gym, focusing on strength and long-term health. Some carry a thicker, powerful beard that radiates authority. Some have silver hair that enhance their elegance. Some keep dark beards that highlight masculinity. Beauty here is not filtered. It's mature, a tailor suit, navy suit on a broad frame, a relaxed summer shirt on a confident body, a simple watch paired with steady eye contact. Attraction evolves with age and these men prove it. Relationship in episode 630 feel intentional. These daddies don't chase goals. They choose partners who respect growth. Some prefer ambitious younger men who admire mentorship. Others seek emotionally intelligent partners closer to their own age. Some enjoy traveling together, exploring Europe, Asia, or the Middle East. Some build quiet domestic routines filled with routine dinners, shared workouts, and glam only. Sugar in the world becomes more than money. It becomes structure, guidance, loyalty, and emotional maturity. Episode 630 reminds us that masculinity does not have one definition. It can be muscular or thick, silver haired or dark haired, suited or casual, quiet or expressive. What matters most is self awareness. Confidence that does not lead to prove itself, stability that does not seek validations, presence that does not compete. If you enjoy this exploration of mixed up sugar daddies from different countries, professions, ages, and lifestyles, subscribe to Putman 0.2. Here we'll celebrate mature beauty, relationships, global lifestyle energy, and real daddy confidence. Tell me in the comment section which style speaks to you most: the businessman, the travel, the mentor, or the quiet romantic. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.